beautiful. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is. Welcome back to our channel. So you read from the title, we are going to be doing IPSY versus IPSY. So if you don't know what that is or what I do two different profiles and see, does IPSY really go by profiles? So if you want to see what I got in my IPSY versus IPSY and if they went by profiles, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my first one like pretty early in the month, and I just got the other IPSY today. Today's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to whoever celebrates. So I'm a little late. Anywho, let's see. I'm going to do the one that came in. This is the one that came in early. So what I do is, like I said earlier, I do two different profiles. I do my real profile, which I'm 43. God, I can't believe in April I'm going to be 44. Oh my God. But I'm 43. I have black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then I do the complete opposite and say that I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. And I always get the 25-year-old profile first. Always. I get it so early. All right, so let's jump into this puppy and see. I haven't even let's see if I can open it up without ripping it. No. Oh, maybe. Let's see. Okay. All right. So I already did the IPSY Ultimate and I did the IPSY Plus. I will leave them down below. I have giveaways in both of them, so make sure you check them out. Oh, so I like the bag with the regular IPSYs. If I didn't tell you this is $12 a month. Now, this is something like the IPSY Ultimate that we got, and I love it. The IPSY Plus, I don't know, I just didn't care for that bag. I would think this would be in the IPSY Plus since that's $25, and the cheaper one would be in this one, but I do like it, so that's what it looks like. It's just a little bit smaller from the other one. Has the IPSY right here. All right, so inside the bag was this brush right here. So let's look at that. This is really, oh, that's pretty. It's like a rainbow. This is from the Beauty Crop. That is gorgeous. I like that. All right, let's see if there's a card in here because with the Ultimate didn't have prices or anything on it. So hopefully it tells you a little bit when you're, oh yes, it does. All right, so the theme for this month is Feel the Love, and this is for February 2020. And then when you open it up, it tells you what everything is. And I believe it gives you prices for the full, if it was full size. So this brush right here is the powder brush, is the F203, and this is valued at, oh God, here we go with this magnifying glass. I finally made an eye doctor appointment. I go next week, so $13. And again, let me show you. It's really pretty. I like that a lot. I can see powder, but for me, I would use it for bronzer. I like these type of brushes for that. All right. The next thing we got is from Murad. This is an eye cream, so it's a little sample size. And I love me some eye cream. Okay. I don't know, can you see it? Can you see it in there? Okay. Okay. All right. This is the sample. Now, let's see, it's smaller than my pinky. Now, let's be real. An eye cream, you don't need that much. So it doesn't have to be that small, but come on, Murad. Could you have spared a little bit more? Okay. All right, full size would be $82. So this is probably about a nickel, 5 cents. Okay. All right, moving on. The next thing we got is this from IT Cosmetics. Okay, this is a primer, which I've never tried their primer, and I'm definitely excited to try this. So we have that. Oh, let me tell you how much that full size would be. It would be $39 if it was full size. So then we have from Half Baked. This is liquid lipstick, and I have tried their formula before, and I do like it. Let's see if it says what the shade is. So this is in Slight Work, and this is $10. Okay. So I like that. So if you do like the formula, $10 is not bad at all. All right. I'm not going to open this because this is a beautiful color, but I have so many lipsticks that are this shade that are just sitting there and they're going to expire. So I'd rather put this in a future giveaway. I hit 40K. Oh my God, the other day I hit 40K. I can't believe it. So we have a huge giveaway coming. So, I mean huge. There's going to be like 4 to 5 winners. Each winner is going to receive between 4 and 5 eyeshadow palettes and a lot of other things. So I'll definitely put this aside. And then last but not least, this is from Dr. Frog. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with me today. So this is in Beautylish. Remember with the Beautylish bags, this is something new. So I'm excited that's an IPSY since it's new. So this is a water full charge all in one. So I'm sure it's like a kind of like a water cream. Oh, let me see. Yeah. And full size would be $18. So not bad if you like it. Let's see. It says massage a dime-sized amount of moisturizer to cleanse. Okay, so it is a moisturizer. All right, so let's go over what we got in the 25-year-old profile. Remember, red hair, brown eyes, and I'm not that comfortable with makeup. So we have the moisturizer. We have a primer. We have an eye cream. So that's good because if you're not that comfortable with makeup, you would get more skincare. You have a brush. And you have a lipstick. So I actually think they were spot on. I wish it was like maybe one more thing because I wouldn't consider this makeup, but I like to get a tool. I like to get brushes. So I'm not complaining about that. All right. So that's our 25-year-old profile. Comment down below and let me know what you think of that. All right. So let's go with my profile. I'm 43, black hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. There's something. Okay, so this was an add-on, so this is not in my bag. This is the Wander Beauty Liquid Foundation and the shade Medium. So let's see what Medium looks like. I am curious. Oh, I don't know why I thought it was going to be like a squeezy too, but look, it's this. Actually, let me take a little bit here that came out. That looks like it'll fit me. And I like the fact that they had it taped up here. So that's the color. Oh, that's a little dark. Okay, let's rub that puppy in. Let me rub it in. Yeah, that's a little bit too dark for me. But I will have to put like a lighter shade and make that work. Okay, let's take that puppy off. All right, so let's see what I got in my profile. Okay, so there's nothing in there. Again, the same bag. And we have the card, same card, you know. And again, yeah, there's stuff in here, so that's good. I wonder why some people got things on there and some people didn't get anything on their card. It's weird. All right, the first thing is from K Voss. This is a Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. And let's see. So this is full size and it is $28. And I love highlighters, guys. I really like highlighters. I have a lot of highlighters. And I never heard of this brand. That's another reason why I like getting subscriptions because you'll find brands that you never heard of. And some of them are even better than high-end, honestly. If I can get this thing open. What in the world? Okay. Oh, that's pretty. So you have a mirror and that's the color. I notice when I watch back my videos in editing, I don't hold them up long enough and I keep forgetting, but I'm so excited. It's like I want to see it too. So, it's pretty. I have to remember to do that and I do apologize. That is gorgeous. I got to put some on. I got to do it. All right. I'm going to use, I don't have a mirror, so I'm going to use the camera as my mirror. Let's see. I don't even know if you can see if there's anything else on there because I can't tell. I already have highlighter on. Did that make a difference? And then I usually go in with the Beauty Blender, which I don't have it here. And then like I'll push it in, a dampened Beauty Blender to blend it in so it doesn't look like that like streak. But all right, I'm so far, so good. So then we have from the Balm, and we always get things from the Balms. We get like eyeshadows, blushes, little samples of the bronzers. Ooh, and this is in the shade Houston. This is a blush, and that's a decent size sample. Do you guys remember when it was like tiny, tiny? You couldn't even get like a this size brush in there, but that's really pretty. So let's see. So this is a deluxe size, of course. Full size would be $26.50. Okay, so let's swatch it. Oh, you know what? Let me do another finger because that has a highlighter on there. So there we go. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. That is gorgeous. And I love the Balm's bronzers, blushes, like anything powder I really like. All right, the next thing is another IT Cosmetics primer right there. So then we have from Colored Rain, this is a matte liquid lipstick. Oh, let me tell you again, that IT primer would be $39 full size. The Colored Rain is, where you be? $17. And of course, that's full size. And this is in the shade 24-7. Okay, let's see the color. Again, it's almost around the same color. So I'm not going to swatch this either. I'm going to probably put this in a future giveaway because I just have so many of these colors, and I mean literally a whole drawer full, and I'd rather give it to one of you guys that will put some use out of it, you know. And last but not least is another Dr. Frog, and this is the moisturizer, which I'm not mad at getting different of the same like moisturizers in both bags. Anything skincare, it doesn't bother me. So that's everything that I got in my profile. So let's recap what I got in my profile. So we got the moisturizer. We have the IT Cosmetics primer. We have the Colored Rain liquid lipstick. We have the Balm blush. And we have the Fairy Dust, the K-Voss highlighter. And that highlighter is gorgeous. Like when I get off of here, I'm going to go onto this brand and look at it because I never heard of it. Let me know if you ever heard of this brand. And that's everything that I got in my IPSY regular bag. I was going to say IPSY Glam bag. Well, yeah, it is IPSY. Oh my God, Ann. Let me get off of here because I don't know. All right, guys, that's everything. Make sure that you rate the video. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Let me know. Make sure that you subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you'll be notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. I really appreciate you. I love you guys so much. And thank you for clicking on my video, for watching my video, especially if you made it all the way to here. If you made it all the way to here, put a pumpkin emoji. Let me know. And I really do. Every interaction really does help me out. And thank you so much for getting us to 40K. I still can't believe I'm at 40K. Like me and my friend Lisa Smith that I talk about a lot. You always see her in the comments. I remember when I hit 10,000, I couldn't believe it. She's like, you're going to hit 10,000. I'm like, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Nobody's going to want to watch me. I'm too old. This and that. I'm like, nope, nope. She was like, yep, you'll wait. You're going to hit 50. I'm like, are you crazy? I'm not even going to hit 10. When I hit 10, she was like, all right, come on, 20. I'm like, I'm never going to hit 20,000. People my age just starting now, never. What happened? 25, the same thing. And then when we said 40, I was like, I will never hit 40. We hit 40. And it's like, I just can't believe that you guys want to watch me. And it just melts my heart. And I really, really appreciate you guys. All right, I'm going to get off of here before I get emotional. I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.